Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare
Just a bread is prepared every house.
Self-help.
Bread is prepared in every house. Khadi is prepared in every house.
But
Everybody
it is right, but then why not have fields in every house and grow your food also? That is not possible every time, Nandu bhai. You have got to have it. This is a highly developed society. So you have got to distribute your
Because
work.
no, it is
It is
developed.
not like that before.
It is so developed that there is no food. It is so developed that there is no food.
Yes,
One devotee, goddess Durga, he was a worshipper of goddess Durga. The mother Durga was asking, my dear son, you are happy? Oh mother, in all aspects, except in two things. There is no food, there is no cloth. That's all. Otherwise I am very happy.
The main thing is not there.
Oh, your advancement means advancement in everything, but there is no food, there is no cloth. That's all. This is advance.
And there was no rain here last year, no? Year before last. हमारा बड़ा छोकरा था ना मेडिकल कॉलेज में ये पापा why they we want rain? I said, what nonsense you are talking? We don't want, our fields are in America. The rain is falling there all right. Jokingly. Why do you want rain here? Because people, એવું છે ને
No, rain.
યજ્ઞાત ભવતિ પર્જન્યો.
Yes. But
You
they
are not-
all perform yoga.
Yagna, and yagna means there is service to the humanity.
No.
હવે
That
તમે
is-
service to Krishna you will say, but humanity is Krishna I say.
No,
And
no.
then we quarrel, so we stop there.
That's all.
Okay. But after all, you see, yagna is not-
यज्ञार्थे कर्म नत्रो लोकयम कर्म बंधन। ऐसे तो ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए सभी कर रहा है, वो तो यज्ञ हो ही रहा है।
wrongful is not jag.
What is wrongful? Everyone is trying.
Aham kratu,
The state is trying.
everything is God. Aham kratuhu, aham yajyam, aham gutam, everything aham. There is Krishna, no? And the very next verse, he says,
But when there is remembrance of Krishna,
that is right.
aham,
name
that
of-
aham must be there.
In the name of God you do, and you forget that you are doing two things. That is yajna. That you are not a
Mind
performer.
No, you cannot.
and
You
the-
cannot manufacture yajna. The yajna vidhi is there in the Veda Shastra. You cannot say that I am doing for God. That is yajna. Yajna vidhi, jasastra vidhi mutsijya, bhattate kamakarya, na sukham sabhamati. He cannot get happiness if he derides Shastra, yajna vidhi. You cannot manufacture yajna vidhi.
कृष्ण यज्ञ किला करे कृष्ण किला
Krishna's life itself was a yajna.
No, then there is no need of Bhagavad Gita. Anyone can manufacture his yajna.
Yagna, the very life of Krishna was a yagna. You say that. Aham yagno. Aham kratu, aham ajam. What is that? I forgot that.
That Am Jagga, but who is following Krishna? That is the.
We follow, you
Huh?
follow,
Huh?
I follow. You follow
No, no,
Krishna, I follow you,
any-
so I follow Krishna.
Man, nobody follows. Because Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam. Who is doing that?
Here dharma means all actions.
Dharma means occupational duty.
Yeah, all actions.
Yes. Duty.
You
Dharma
forget
means
all
duty.
other actions and do actions for me.
Dharma
That is-
does not mean so-called some religious fanaticism. Dharma means occupational duty.
That-
Just like you are medical man, your practice medical
My
dharma.
dharma.
Medical
So I
dharma.
went yesterday early.
Yeah.
Quarreling with
That's all right. No, that's all right. One must. There's Arjuna. Arjuna was a fighter. His dharma was to fight.
મેં મહારાજને કાલે કહ્યું કે હું ફાઇટર છું. I have wrongly placed in the medical profession.
No. Dharma means one's occup. Just like Varnashram dharma.
That is the real dharma.
Yes.
I think
according to Varna and Ashram. That is called
the
Varnashram.
greatest gift to the humanity is Varnashram Dharma by the ancient culture of India.
No, it is given by
Greatest-
God.
Whatever it is, but I mean that is the greatest thing.
Yes.
Varnashram.
So, no.
And I don't know why people don't follow it.
But there
They
is no
want to kill
guidance.
it now.
There is no guidance.
Even imperceptibly, Varnashram then is followed by Western countries. They have got all the strata of people, and that though they are not putting on jano and all. हाँ तो भी एक प्रमाण है हाँ and but this is presently we are living in Kaliyug.
Chaturvarnang maya system gunakarma vibhag. Varnashram dharma is there, but it is not organized. Varna, because it is made by God, maya system, it cannot be violent. So, but it is a perverted way, therefore you are suffering.
Well, in old days, I think this Varnashram Dharma was followed. You see,
Strictly.
I am reading Srimad Bhagavad, wherein so many princes turned into Brahmins, and so many Brahmins turned into
But
Daityas.
that is
Because by
Varnashram.
action.
Yes.
Action. So we are following wrongly now.
Guna karma vibhag.
Vibhaga.
Not by birth. Guna karma. Just like you are Kshatriya, but because you have acquired the qualification of medical man and you are working as a medical man, therefore you are medical man. Nobody asks you, you are a Kshatriya or a Brahmin, you are a medical man.
Medical, I think medical work is it Brahminical or Sudrikal?
That we shall consider later on.
Why not say now so that I will drive out my doubt about me?
It is half Brahmin.
That's all right. At least little Brahmin is good. No,
All Vaidyas are Brahmin.
no,
Yeah.
Vaidyas are supposed to
No,
be the...
Vaidya means father Brahmin, mother Shudra.
Hmm.
That is Vaidya.
The Sutas.
Yeah.
Suts are Brahmin, mother and father Kshatriya. These Sut, no? Those Puranis were Sutas.
Sutas means carpenter. Shudra. Government minister, he has frankly said that we do not want you to grow here. You know that?
Who is that minister?
The Home Minister
Pawar.
in Delhi.
Oh, Delhi.
The government is against our movement.
This government
Because
is
they are
against-
teaching drink wine, eat meat, and you are teaching no meat eating. How they will approve our movement?
Not only they, we have just now talked about teaching it. This government of Maharashtra has created a government institution which are killing pigs for selling meat and poultry.
Yeah.
It could have been done by any private institution outside. Why? Eh?
Yes,
I don't know why. So they are all Sudras. This Daitya.
not Shudra.
These Daityas.
Even less than Shudra.
Actually, they are the relatives of
Mlecha, there has been described in the Bhagavad. Mlecha Rajanna Rupina. Mlecha, they will assume as Kshatriya government. Mlecha Rajanna Rupina. Bhakhasyanti praja sarve. Mlecha Rajanna Rupina.
these fellows created such a horrible state here. They actually broke down the temple.
So that
Why?
is,
Why? Why?
That-
What wrong these boys are doing to them? If any wrong is done to them, it is done by me because I am talking
no,
sometimes
it is
violently
great
to them.
wrong that we are preaching no meat eating, no intoxication. We are the greatest criminal.
No, not that.
Yes.
They are rascals.
But who is accepting that? They are still getting vote.
They will not get vote now. Just Nandu Bhai said they will not get. Nandu Bhai, I will get. No, they will not get. Eh? Now people
it
have
is
become
fact.
so much. The people have so much opposed them now. This present government. I think they will be right out in the next election. The election itself is a sort of a great, mockery committed on the
Yes,
people.
yes. That I always say.
You It's a demagogy.
And then on the election, the votes given by some
Ignorant people.
ignorant
Yeah,
people. What is the
ignorant are
value?
majority. You see, if you go in assembly,
Formerly, a king was elected by great sages, saintly person, Brahmins, kings were elected. And as soon as he deviated from the Shastric principle, he was kicked out.
that is right, but we don't want to follow that Varnashram dharma and
Then
that-
suffer,
that
then
institution
suffer.
Ramraj.
If your patient does not follow your instruction, he must suffer.
He will die.
That's all.
And this institution is going to die. This government, this Congress government is going. I think the world over, this is
And this is a world over.
this rot is even in America or England or in continental countries also the same thing.
The other countries, they are never following.
Worst are these Muslim countries. They kill each other and come to the power. Still they are following their forefathers. They are truthful to them.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Go back. And here.
A little more.
So Nandu bhai, see, I am trying to associate with them because here is a guru who is trying to spread the real religion to the foreign countries.
Thank you. very much.
Sometimes I don't, they don't like me because I am a man who talks sometimes out like a Patel. But still I love them because they are sadhus. And you know, we must love
Yeah,
sadhus.
yeah, there is a poetry,
Yeah.
Kaupa. In
Yeah.
land with all thy fault, I love you.
No, they may not be liking me because sometimes I am very much opposing them. But
That is also loving.
But I tell you that this institution should be allowed to flourish so that your culture will spread the world over. Today the world is actually languishing under the wrong influence of the wrong culture.
आइए माता जी, हरे कृष्ण. तबीयत ठीक है? Now America and seriously considering about this movement. There are so many writings.
You are, as a matter of fact, you are improving there a lot. The present boys in American universities, they are all LSD smokers. The other day I said that, and that boy said that LSD went from India, and so I became white. For which I felt sorry later on, because I should not have expressed my
Yeah,
temper
that-
before you. But I am having a little more temper than that also. When somebody tells a wrong thing,
No, the ganja went from it.
that because it is produced in India.
Yes. And they made a chemical composition of ganja. That is LSD.
No, LSD is not chemical. It is a synthetic.
Therefore, similar effect. Because they are scientific, so instead of importing ganja from India, they invented some chemical
American
composition.
professors are tired out of these boys. They smoke in their classrooms, in their residencies, in their university camps and everywhere.
Now it is going to be legalized.
Smoking.
Yes.
Just that they have legalized the prostitution.
Yes. Anything, because it is vote, majority wants, all right, make it legalized.
All bestiality in so many
Same
things are
thing
legalized
here,
in England.
majority wants to be godless, so government is following that. Therefore, they are against our movement. Hare Jai. Jai. Namaskar. Hare Krishna. Now the Vox Populi, majority wants to become drunkards. All right, it is legalized. Majority wants prostitute hunters. All right, it is legalized. This is government. No consideration morality or religion. Majority wants, it must be given.
No, but I mean, it is all, it must fall. There is no culture. This is a total degeneration of the humanity at large.
Yes. They must suffer.
And they follow.
And they are suffering. But
No,
it's still that blind.
So-called followers of Christianity actually killing Christ every day.
No, why to take Christianity?
No, but they are majority.
everyone,
They are all-
everyone. Everyone, your Hindus also.
We are degenerate because we have been ruled by foreigners for so many years. But these fellows being so free in thinking and doing things, you see,
following of religious principle does not depend on foreign rule or home rule. Ahituki, apratihata. This is the description. Sabai pungsang karo dharma, jato bhakti radhokkari. Ahituki, apratihata. One who follows actually, just like we are following some principles. It cannot be checked by anyone. We do not accept anyone.
I think it is so, to my mind. Please see, look at the history of India after 1000 years AD.
No, religion does not depend on history.
They havoc with the Hindu religion.
It does not depend on history. It depends on culture. How one is sincere.
But when one culture is infected by a dirty culture of other people, the culture gets spoiled. You put
That's
one.
why you are medical man. During British rule, you are medical man, and home rule, you are medical man. It does not mean it has to be changed, because the government has changed. One who is unscrupulous, he changes.
What I mean to say is culture. If you put
Anything, culture, this religious
if you put
culture.
two rotten mangoes in a tokri of good mangoes, all will be rotten. That is what has happened to us.
So that means it is meant for the who cannot resist.
But the human, I mean, temperament is such. I mean, it is easier to fall than to rise.
Yeah, that is.
So the
all right.
humanity has fallen today. That is what has happened.
Yeah.
At last. Not
Yes,
only here,
that is also
not only in
another
America
cause.
or England or say in continent or European countries, but everywhere, including the all Oriental countries as well.
Where is Mr. Shah? He's not come today.
No, he had not come. We were 7 today, but they all went away from here. They all were very busy.
Mlecha. Mlecha Rajan Rupina. Mlecha will take the position of God.
મેં એમ કહ્યું હતું આ ભાઈને કે આપણે ગિરિરાજને કે આપણા ભાઈ ખરા ને અરવિંદના નાના ભાઈ પેલા યોગેન્દ્ર પટેલ હે એ યોગેન્દ્ર છે તે નાયકને ટેલિફોન કરવાનું હતા નાયક અને અત્યારે તો બીકોઝ એસેમ્બલી
He is concerned, he has done his duty and he has promised to phone. Now it is his duty.
No, but we have to follow it up, no?
What following?
Yes.
They are following for the last 4 months. They are calling come day, this day, that day. This is following.
I was a member of the Municipal Corporation of Bombay. I know that in ordinary course these rascals don't pass the plan for 6 years and 8 months. What do you say?
So how one gentleman can deal with rascals? That is another
Very
difficult.
difficult.
He told that within 1 month time he will do it on the municipal concern, his concern. But he, some weeks they started, no? For some special purpose, whatever it may be.
Because you call it a temple. If you don't call it a temple, it's a question of name.
How can I tell false things?
No, that is what they are.
Not at all, it must be a temple.
When I constructed this house, I wanted to make it into a sort of a hospital, I mean nursing home. So that if you want to have a nursing home, well, we won't pass it. Because my nephew was to come back to India. Now he has settled in States.
That clerical staff, they are making budget. One clerk is saying, no, it must be 20 lakhs. And the another clerk says, no, 10 lakhs.
Same thing here.
Yes. So these clerks settle up budget. And the minister says, no, it is.
Like
The
here,
minister
same-
even
same
cracks
thing.
their brain. You see, what about the lower staff, clerks?
They are brainless, sir, to tell the truth. The scum of the society has gone. The other day I said, who are the ministers today? The middle class of people, those rogues and rascals who followed Gandhiji. The highest people died out. We who were young boys, we are in our own ways, engaged in our own professions. The rascals are the ministers. Am I right or wrong?
Oh, yeah. From
Yeah.
the beginning.
Mm.
From the beginning. Now, if you don't mind, I will say, this Jawaharlal was rejected by his father. After coming from foreign country, he was simply after woman. So his father thought that this son is useless. So he's lying useless. So when Gandhi approached Motilal Nehru that come and join, so he took the opportunity that I am coming, settling up, you please take my son. So that is the beginning of Jawaharlal Nehru's life.
The whole
Now, as you say, all the rascals joined and they became big men.
but this particular community of Kashmiri Brahmins, this type of people, they are the product of the Mughal debauchery. I'm sorry to say these words before I've said,
Yeah.
but it is so, fact.
Nehru's family is Mohammedan family. Everything Mohammedan. Yes. You know?
In those Mina
his
Bazar
daughter-
times.
His daughter was kidnapped by Muhammad. Not kidnapped, she willingly went.
So his daughter?
This Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal's sister.
Who was ambassador in America? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. In America or in states also, she was always keeping fully drunk and all. These are the type of people ruling.
She was not coming back from that Mohammedan. Only Gandhi intermediated.
Mahatma Ji played a fool with her. Being a Baniya, he said that man wanted her to be a Muslim. So Mahatma Ji said, you ask that man to become a Hindu. If he becomes Hindu, I don't marry her. And that fellow, Muslims would not become Hindu. that is how it happened.
Yes.
Erosion of the Hindu culture as we have suffered from Muslims.
Yeah, it is all
That is why you don't speak much of Muslims. But they were rogues and rascals. Your words I mean.
No, we don't hate Muslims. I have got many students, Muslims.
We don't hate. I mean, what they have done in past, their forefathers. They have demolished so many temples because they did not. They were all jungli yahoos.
And this is all going on. Even in the Kurus family, the other party, how much wrong they did to the Pandavas. They insulted their wife, they took their kingdom, so many. They sent them to the forest, banishment, what they did not do. It is not the question of Hindu Muslim, it is the question of the man.
I mean, you have got a soft corner for Muslims.
Huh? Huh?
Soft corner for Muslims.
No, for everybody.
These are rogues.
No, because these
I am against
are designations. So our philosophy is sarvapadhi vinimuktam. Be free from all designation. Just like you are. You don't hate any particular person because he is Hindu or Muslim.
I
Huh?
hate Muslims. I'm telling the truth.
What kind of
I am their enemy number one. If हमारा चलेगा तो सबको निकाल के पाकिस्तान
मुस्लिम पेशेंट आएगा तो आप ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करेगा
हमारा चले तो नहीं ट्रीटमेंट करेगा मगर हमारा चले तो सबको साले को भेज दो सबको पाकिस्तान भेज दो
दूसरा है एज ए टेक
अपना बिजनेस तो चलता नहीं है यार तुम चला रहो अभी
राजनीति के हिसाब से
राजा के हिसाब से मैं निकाल डालो
लेकिन मुस्लिम
राजा के हिसाब से if I had to if I were prime minister of this country I would ask them to go to
as a
Pakistan
physician-
they wanted Pakistan for themselves
As a physician, you cannot
as a
deny.
physician I will treat him as an animal
Yeah, that's
if he's dying that is a different story but I will not treat
That
him.
is our position.
That is right.
That is our
That is, I am discharging my duty. But had I been a prime minister of this country, I would have discharged my duty that way.
We don't like Muslim culture.
I hate them
But
because
Hate
to
Muslim
them,
come.
pardon me interrupting. Their culture is this. I consider every woman to be my sister, excepting my wife. They consider every woman equal to their wife, excepting their sister. This is the difference between the two cultures.
why do there are different many cultures, but we are concerned with Krishna culture. That's all.
That's right. This is a Krishna culture. Krishna teaches us that you have to take every woman to be your mother or sister, but they don't take them to be so accepting their own sister. Everyone is equal to their wife. Am I right or wrong? Tell me that. No, that is why I hate them.
Nowadays, that is happening in your Hindu society also.
That is the generation
Yeah.
because
Now
they contempt.
developing the same coming.
They have
Muslim demolition. Now the
Contact.
Hindus are demolishing our
contaminated. They have contaminated the Hindu society by their contact, long contact.
Otherwise, how the Hindus dare to demolish our temple?
And that is the main thing. It is already
They are
developed.
less than
પામણ
Muslim.
ભાઈ તું બી આમ તો
હા ખરી વસ્તુ છે નહીં રાત થોડું આવે ટેમ્પલ
તે તો તમારા પૂછડામાં તાકાત નથી
वही तो बोलता और बोलता क्या है
But हमारा ताकत नहीं है, हम
નહીં
मानते
નહીં
हैं।
યાર તે પહેલેથી નહીં this is I tell you that was a sort of a we did not know how to act if we have from the beginning
whatever
some
it is,
Shiv people
but
now
I
તમે છોના રહો
No, but,
so
nobody had
they
idea.
would not have they would not have touched it even the Shiv Sena I told the Shiv Sena people in Andheri said, आप डॉक्टर साहब हमको क्यों नहीं बोला, साले को मार डालता था. There were people doing anything, but we did not know. They did it unaware. And we got a shock when next morning the temple was demolished. Not only that, but the pillars were cut by gas. You know that
And for
pillars.
this temple, there is so much objection, there is so much harassment.
They object because you see, yeah, એકબીજાની આંખો લડે મહારાજ. તમારે ને મારે દુશ્મનાવટ થઈ હોય તો તમારું સારું હોય એને હું ખોટું સમજુ.
Oh yes,
If your enmity is created, even your good qualities I would look them as bad. That is what these people are doing. Somehow or other, I don't know how.
Dasamicchanti pamara. Gunamicchanti. Brahmana madhumicchanti. Mranamicchanti makhika. Similarly, sajjana gunamicchanti. Dasamicchanti pamara.
These are palmers. But that all these things happen because that man, what is his name? Who happened to be now the minister, member of the corporation, Mhatre. He was supported by this Nair, the owner of this property. And then there was some difficulty in the finalization of your deed. So Nair took a wrong turn, and this man was instigated to do all nonsense. And he went and did his worst, which he should not have done. And he still keeps on doing it.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare